Your dictation will start in 5 seconds. Ready? Start. They also have no means by which they can take their matters to a court of law for justice, and unless these two things are done, our courts will keep quiet, will just watch the exploitation of man by man in our country, and of course, like passive onlookers, they would be just doing their duty as a formality. Stop. That is why it is necessary that our legal system is suitably developed through intensive research in the field of law so that the law is in a position to cater to the needs of the people. Stop. As I was saying, our present law is not in a position to cater to our present suffering and toiling masses and the weaker sections of society. Stop. Para. Sir, it is a very happy thing, I should say, that when the Law Commission was first appointed by Parliament, it was agreed to by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in pursuance of or in reply to a non official resolution which was tabled in the Lok Sabha today also. Stop. Sir, we are considering a non official resolution tabled by my learned friend. Stop. It was in 1954 that non official resolution was tabled in the Lok Sabha suggesting the appointment of a law commission, and our learned and great Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru agreed to that resolution, in pursuance of which that law commission was ultimately appointed. Stop. Era. It said that the law commission should be appointed with a view to realize that justice is simple, speedy, cheap, effective, and substantial. Stop. Now, I would like to ask the law minister whether any of these things has been achieved since the setting up of the law commission. Stop. We have not been able to make justice speedy. We have not been able to make justice cheap. We have not been able to make justice effective, and we have not been able to make justice substantial. Stop. We have failed miserably in all these, and that is why today millions and millions of our countrymen who are not able to knock at the doors of justice on the temples of justice are not in a position to get social justice and economic justice. Stop. Where I am not talking of political justice. Stop. But socio-economic justice has to be ensured for the people of a welfare state, for the people of a socialist state which is still not there. Stop. Therefore, since our legal system is not conducive to the establishment of a socialist pattern of society, the system has to be changed. Stop. A thorough research has to be done and the matter has to be probed into deeply. Stop.